This month's video features exciting updates from Lightyear, eToro, Freetrade, and more. Lightyear is bringing us multiple updates this month. The trading app has recently increased its interest rate on uninvested cash to 4.25%, added 150 new UK and US stocks to its offering, and even launched a load of new web app features like watch lists, ETF fund breakdowns, and the ability to deposit cash, as well as a bunch of extra insights and analysis tools. It's not quite 150, but eToro is jumping on the new stocks bandwagon too, having added 14 new stocks and ETFs to its trading account. Freetrade has started upgrading its Android engineering to Jetpack Compose, an Android-specific app-building toolkit, which should lead to a more intuitive user interface within the app. It's a work in progress, so we'll report back as and when we have more info. InvestEngine has introduced third-party trade notifications. What the heck are they, I hear you ask? Well, these new notifications allow you to link a separate email to your trading account, which will also receive a copy of any trades you make. This feature is especially helpful for anyone who needs to report their trades to an employer or wants to streamline sending this info to their accountant, for example. To see our roundup for the best trading apps in the UK at the moment, visit finder.com by clicking this link in the top right-hand corner. Till next time, thanks for watching.